Hello everyone. Today I'll share with you a very interesting technique on how to filter a SharePoint Online person column type from Power Automate Flow. For example, this is my sample employee leave management list. And here for all employees, I maintain their leave. One of the columns is here, employee name, which is a person type. And I have 3 records here, and I want to filter and get the details based on the logged in user or current user. Here, I'll extract the details of mine and not any other users. My query will not read the details of other employees where I am not authorized or supposed to access. So, yeah, this is the demo I will show here. For that, I've created a flow. This is my manually trigger flow. This get items I have added to get items from my list without any filter query to see the JSON output. And then I am using a get my profile v2 action to get my profile details. Like my name, email ID, phone number, user principal name, and many more. Here the interesting thing is, if you don't know the right query to pass, you can't get your details from the list, and you'll keep on getting errors. Here is the problem. In this get items filter query, while you are applying a filter query to the employee name column, you'll face problems. I will show you what is that. Let's run this flow. You'll see the where is the problem. Let's run this manually. You'll get this error. One or more field types are not installed properly. Go to the list settings page to delete these fields. Sometimes you will get your column has been deleted error. These messages are not true. Don't focus on these errors. This is not the actual problem. Problem in this filter query. What is that? First, I will show you the output of this get items and see the JSON here. I'll go directly to my employee name column details. Yes, this is my employee name column, where email is a property to extract email ID. Note, in email, the letter is in capital letter. However, if you pass that same thing here, in this query, that will not work. Let's copy this from here. And similarly, if I go to my profile v2 and I see the output here, and I go to this, mail, using that we can extract the email ID. Exactly in this query, I am using this one mail. Right? But this is not working. I will pass the other one. The one for my get items, employee name, email property. Right, let's see. Pass this email to the query. Let's run this again. This will not work. This also says that one or more field types are not installed properly. Go to the list settings page to delete these fields. This is a strange issue why this is not working. Though the email property is mentioned in this list, but this is not working. So what is the right way to query to get employee details based on the logged-in user? This is the right way. This will work. We need pass as email. I don't know what the uppercase M is doing here in email. Actually, this works. Let's save this again and run it. This time this will work. Perfect. I get to see the output, and this is email. This is my email ID I have extracted from my profile action and stored in a variable, then pass this variable in the employee name column filter query. Employee name / email equal to my email ID from my profile dynamically. This will ensure that I am getting my details only, not other employees. In this case, I have 3 records in my employee leave management list, but extracting the details of mine only. This is my logged-in user. I can see the total number of query results. What is the total number of records? It is 1. This is the total length of the query results. This is how I'm getting this. From here, you can filter this out or extract the individual column details for that particular record in you. Can use that into your respective actions and flows for your business requirements. But the bottom line is, this is the right way to query a person column based on the logged-in user email property. So this technique I'm sharing here is I didn't get from the Google or public forums. This is from my personal experience I'm sharing with you. I hope you enjoyed and liked this technique, and you will use it while you are dealing with the person column in Power Automate. Instead of Googling or searching somewhere directly, you can use this technique. Pass the employee email in this format. You can quickly get your work done. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. If this helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel and help me to grow in this journey. In the upcoming days, I'll come up with many interesting videos on the latest technologies like Microsoft Copilot, GenAI, Power Platform, SharePoint Online, and many hidden techniques like this one, which I have gathered or learned from my over 2 decades of work experience. I'll share with you. Thank you.